is here. Its name is Jack. He runs around and then comes back. Hey, a ball is there. It rolls away. It's so much fun, come join the play. Nouns are names, they tell us who. Pronouns help, they're handy too. He, she, it, they and we. Use them right and sing with me. The girl is tall, she loves to run. The boy is fast, he has some fun. Hey, the book is here, it's on the chair. Pronouns replace, they're everywhere. He and she, it and they help us talk every day. Use a noun, then take his place. Pronouns make the world a better place. Nouns are names, they tell us who. Pronouns help, they're handy too. He, she, it, they and we. Use them right and sing with me. The birds are flying, they are free. The fish are swimming in the sea. Hey, my friends are here, they say hello. Pronouns make the story flow. Nouns are names, they tell us who. Pronouns help, they're handy too. He, she, it, they and we. Use them right and sing with me. A noun names things, it sets the stage. A pronoun jumps in, it's all the rage. He, she, it, they, you and me. Grammar's fun, as you can see.